Hi guys and welcome back. So today I have some nail mail to share with you. I've had 3 parcels and there will be more to come, but I thought I'd just do these ones today. So first up, I did an order with Moonshine Money. Now I ordered 3 polishes and I wish I'd have waited a little bit longer because there's now a couple more that I'd like. So I could be doing another order from that sometime soon. They did take about 3 weeks to arrive. Obviously with everything going on, that's a little bit longer than normal, but I was starting to worry, but they did arrive. So if you've made an order from overseas, just beware that it can take a little bit longer at the moment. So my main reason for doing an order from Moonshine Money was because of Drop Dead Gorgeous, which is part of the Project Dupe It collection, and it is a dupe for China Glaze's Don't Let the Dead Bite. So it's this one here. I think the base is slightly more nude than pink than on the China Glaze one from what I've seen on photos, so I'd still like to get that original one, but for now this is really nice, so I'm really looking forward to like Halloween to do something with that one. I also chose, because Phoebe's done some new bundles, so I did do a bundle of 3 polishes. So I also chose Ride or Die Protocol, which is like this sort of rose gold frosty foil polish. This one made me think of Halcyon, but it's like a darker rose gold. This one was from the Good Place collection, and the third one I chose with this order was Survivor from Back to Reality TV collection, and this is like, it's like an off-white base and it's got some like purple shard glitters and things in there. Really pretty one. So that was my order from Moonshine Money. I did a bit of a nail mail swap with Amy from Nail Polish Baby 90, who I will link down below, and she kindly sent me 2 Zoyas. So there is Tieran, T-I-E-R-A-N, I'm not quite sure how you'd pronounce that one, which is a grey. And we have Gabby, which is like a plummy purple. I don't have many Zoya polishes, so I was quite excited to try these ones. So those 2 pretty colours, and probably 2 of my favourite colours to wear is purple and grey, and blue obviously. And she also sent me this OPI called Black to Reality, which is got a gorgeous red shimmer through it, so I'll be interested to see if that shows up on the nail like it does in the bottle, because if it does, that'll be gorgeous. And finally is a D-stash package, and I picked 5 polishes and she kindly sent me an extra one. So the extra ones that I was sent is a Morgan Taylor, and it's called Sir Teal to You, which is actually a beautiful colour, and I'm really happy that she sent it, because it's the type of colour I would have chosen. It's like a teal, but it's got like a shimmer, very delicate shimmer through it. A really pretty polish, can't wait to try that one. So the polishes that I actually chose, first up we have a Thankyou called Aquaholic, which is just like a teal green. It's actually what's on my nails at the moment, but a gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous colour, that one. Then we have KB Shimmers Regalize It, which is this purple, which has got loads of gold glitters in there. It has all gone to the side of the bottle, but yeah, it doesn't come out like, it comes out really well on the nail. Absolutely stunning polish, that one. Then we have Rainbow Dash from Native War Paints, which is this baby blue with lots of different colour glitters in there. Some neons in there as well, which I really like. Neon, like orange, green, and some purple glitters by the looks. Yeah, really pretty. I love Native War Paints. Really want to get some more of their polishes. In fact, I've got another couple come in with another D-Stash parcel. And the final two were two Madame Glams. So I had Pistachio, which is this green colour, and also a Spring Fling, which is like a peachy colour. I chose the peach because this is a type of colour I like to wear on my toenails, and that is what I'm using gels for at the moment. And the green was just the other one that was with it, and I thought, why not, you know, I do like this green colour, so I thought I'd get that one too. So a couple of gels there to add to my new gel collection that will be building up at some point. So that was all of the polishes so far. I think I'm waiting for a couple of D-Stash parcels. They're from the same D-Stash, but I think there was 4 polishes, so I think it'll be sent as 2 parcels. Then at some point in June there will be my glam polish order, and I'm also waiting for some nail polish from wish.com, which has taken ages, so hopefully they'll get to me. Who knows, I don't know, we shall see. So that's all of it today. I hope you enjoyed that. Let me know what you've been getting in the mail. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.